Yo guys, welcome back to another Tesla and Nvidia update video. Today I'm going to be talking about my thoughts about both Tesla and Nvidia, talk about what happened today and what to expect tomorrow on OPEX. So if you just came here for a video, skip halfway through the video and there you go. But before we get into it, guys, I do have a Discord where I post live trading updates for both Tesla and Nvidia every single day. I let you guys know key levels to look out for, good buying positions. I'll let you guys know when today when Nvidia had that bull flag forming. And of course, towards the end of the day, we did start to play that out, but I'll get into that later. Definitely go check it out. Links in the top of the description, and it's only $5 a month. So yeah, definitely go check it out. People really seem to like it. Getting into Tesla, guys. With OPEX tomorrow, I honestly just overall don't expect much to happen. As you can see, we have been chopping between 415 and the bottom of this purple zone at around 406. Kind of just chopping up and down, not really getting any meaningful movements. And going into OPEX tomorrow, I kind of expect the same thing, guys. But if I'm wrong and we get a bigger move, this is what to look out for, all right? The bulls want to see a move past 415 to fill this gap at around 417, 418. With that, start using 415 as support. And if we can get that and hold above 415 and fill that gap, then we have a good shot of coming up to the top of this purple zone in the low 420s. And going into next week, have a good shot of, heading up to 430. That's a very bullish move that we could get. Obviously, I still think we're probably just going to chop tomorrow during OPEX. OPEX is going to definitely raise the volume. But with all the options expiring, I doubt we're going to get really any meaningful move up or down, or else the market makers are probably going to lose a good amount of money, and they don't want that to happen. So if we do get a big move up, that's what to look out for. And of course, I'll let you guys know in my Discord what happens when it happens. So yeah, bulls just basically, first of all, want to fill this gap up to 417, 418, and that's a really good sign. To the downside, if we fall below 406, which is the bottom of this purple zone, and hold that, guys, we have a good chance of falling to 390s either tomorrow or early next week. Revisit this support, and if we lose that, we could definitely come down to the mid 380s where we had that double bottom a little while back, as you can see. Of course, like I said, I doubt we're gonna get any meaningful move tomorrow. But if we do, watch out for these things, and of course, I'll let you guys know in my Discord when it happens. Sorry, guys. Jeez. Now going on to Nvidia. Guys, I told you guys about the bull flag that was forming. At the end of the day, we did break out of it. We held above 186, which is a good sign, and we did not fill this gap to the downside, which would have been priced down to around 185. So a lot of good things for the bulls, but again, with OPEX tomorrow, I doubt we're going to get anything meaningful. On the daily time frame, guys, we've been trading within this pennant for quite some time now. Let me get this. You can see this daily pennant, we've been trading just up and down, getting smacked down from the low 190s. So I do not expect us to break out tomorrow, guys. Shocker. With OPEX tomorrow, I do think that we could get a move up to, the low 190s, just follow through with this bull flag. But once that does happen, I doubt we're going to get a move past 190, 191, and probably start chopping downwards. That's kind of what I expect tomorrow. Even if we do get a move up, watch it get smacked back down. Probably not a bad time to buy shorts up there. With OPEX tomorrow, expect some more chop, expect meaningless movements, nothing crazy. But if we do get a bigger move, guys, that would be closing. If we can close tomorrow above around 192-ish, if we can close above 192, that is a great sign for early next week that we could, head up to this 196 level, which, as you can see, is a 196 is that first target to the upside. It is a resistance, as you can see, coming up here. A lot of resistance up at 196. So I'm assuming once we break past this low 190s level, first target 196. Past that, we're going to see, up in the mid 200s. The mid 205s is what I mean. And then to the downside, guys, if we do get that bigger move than expected, we do not want to see a move below 183. If we get that, we could see down to, the mid 170s. That could definitely happen. But again, with OPEX tomorrow, I doubt we're going to get any meaningful move. But if we do, I'll let you guys know in my Discord. Basically, if we close the day above 192, good sign for early next week. If we close the day under 183-ish, that's a bad sign, and we could see back into the mid 170s as we creep towards earnings next Wednesday, guys. And next Wednesday is probably we're going to get that deciding move out of this freaking pennant we've been in for so long. So as you can see right there, we're probably going to get that move up or down with it. Earnings, no one knows which way it's going to move. Earnings is a total guess. It's a toss-up. If someone tells you that earnings is going to be positive or negative, they're guessing. They're probably wrong. So I personally like to wait to see what earnings does so we could, go from there. And of course, I'll let you guys know. I'll make a video on it. Yeah, guys, that's about it. With OPEX tomorrow, expect some meaningless chop. Expect the market trying to trick you, thinking that we're breaking out, thinking that we're falling to the downside, when really we snap back in the other direction. Guys, that VIX, last thing I'm going to talk about is that VIX is still trading very high. As you can see, we are just bouncing off this trend line, using 16 as support, as well as this green trend line right here. So as long as that does happen, and especially with OPEX tomorrow, I'm sure the VIX is going to spike again. Expect a lot of volume and volatility. Expect, just a whole bunch of nonsense, basically. And yeah, guys, that's about it. Of course, if you have any questions, you can ask me in my community chat in the Discord, or you can just go in my Discord and look at my updates. Post about 10 updates every single day. So yeah, guys, definitely check it out. Link in the description. See you tomorrow. Peace.